Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to set up Google Ads account and how you can get free $45 Google Ads credit. So watch this video complete. You will learn each and everything step by step. First of all, you need to have a Gmail account. You have to open any browser and you have to sign in your Gmail account. After signing in, you have to open new tab and open google.com. And then you have to search for $45 free ads credit. Here you will see the first link from Google Ads. Get up to $45 ad credit. You have to click on it. And then you have to scroll down. Now here you have to provide your same Gmail account on which you want to set up your Google Ads account. And then you have to check the box I am not a robot. Click on get the coupon. Now you have to go to your Gmail account and you have to refresh your account, and then here you will get an email from Google Ads. You have to open this email. Here you can see your $45 Google Ads credit is here. Now you have to copy your coupon code, and then again you have to go to Google Ads. Click on start now. Now here Google will ask you to provide the information about your goals. You don't have to select anything. At the bottom you will see export mode. You have to click on it and then you will land here. From here also you don't have to select anything. You just have to click on create an account without a campaign. Now here Google will ask you to provide your business information. You have to provide your country details and your currency also, and then you have to select yes, send me performance tips, and then click on submit tab. And then here you will see congrats, you are all done. Click on explore your account tab. You have to click on tools and settings, and then you have to click on promotions. Now you have to set up the payment method. You have to provide your country details, and then you have to scroll down. In customer information, you have to select account type, you have to select individual, and now you have to provide your address, city and postcode. And now you have to select the payments method. You have to select manual method, and now you have to add some amount to your Google Ads account. Let's suppose we will add 500, and then you have to add the payment method. How would you like to pay? So we'll pay by credit card, and you have to click on submit tab. After adding the credit, now you have to click on promotions, and here you have to paste the $45 coupon code and click on submit tab. And here you can see $45 credit coupon is now successfully redeemed. Now whatever the amount you will spend on Google Ads for the next 30 days, the same amount you will get back. Let's suppose you will spend $45 for the next 30 days. After 30 days, Google Ads will give you $45 credit again. Now again you have to click on tools and settings. Here you will see keyword planner. From here you can plan about your keywords, you can do keyword research, and you can plan about your campaign. The next thing you have to do, you have to link your account. You can link your YouTube account also, or any other account that you want to link. From here you can link. So this is how you can set up your Google Ads account and you can get free $45 Google Ads credit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.